Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know those SPY puts I gave you a few days ago, they're currently up over 100%. So if you wanted to start scaling out a little bit of those, feel free to, at least to recuperate the initial cost of the investment. That way you can let the rest of them ride and make as much money as you possibly can, especially if the SPY keeps on going the way it has been, which has been, down, down, down. Now, moving over to here to Bitcoin, a couple days ago, or especially yesterday, we broke down below the 3 to 1 gain fan line, and you saw how that just caused a straight acceleration as we broke down very easily below this neckline here. All right, we stopped at the 4 to 1 gain fan line, so that was a great buying opportunity. I would only be looking to do small positions for now until we really start to show some more strength, which means we need to be able to do some type of breakout. For now, if you guys are looking for the first breakout, you have an opportunity to play. You're going to be looking at the 27th of December candle, moving it down here to yesterday's candle to high because we did have a crazy looking spike, and we want to see a couple days of consolidation, then an attempt to break out. Now, if we manage to break out, we're probably going to be stuck in this quadrant for a little bit. That's fine. I just want to see some consolidation. If we can stop falling, that'll give us a lot more strength to try to do a lot more confidence, I would say, actually, for the whales to try to push us back up here to the mid $40,000 range. But if that doesn't happen, guys, and we do fall down below the 4 to 1 Gann fan line, there is an opportunity where we actually do come back down here. Let's say we consolidate for a little bit, another drop, where we come back down here to $34,000 or abouts. So that may be a problem. So that's why I'm saying only buy small amounts. Don't feel like you have to go heavy. If you guys are buying for long term, you can continue to buy on a weekly or monthly basis, however you guys like to do it. These are still fantastic prices for what we'll see down the road. But for now, for you swing traders that like to make money every few days by just buying low, selling high, and watching your account go up every few days, this is not going to be the best market for you unless you know how to short. And if you want to learn how to short, I have a link for BitGet down below. But really, you want to use their paper trading platform, so you're not actually using your own money to invest as you learn to trade and short, and with leverage especially. All right, everybody. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Talk to me nice.